Hi everyone. Your skin is a mirror of your health. If you're not eating right, exercising, or just generally being the best possible version of yourself, then your complexion will show it. You would never go outside with a dirty face, and this same concept, though less extreme, can be applied to your skin. So how does this happen? Well, skin is largely composed of the same compound that makes up your muscles and bones. If you're not taking care of them, your muscles will show it too. When you're dehydrated or have a bad diet, your skin will mirror that as well. Excess fat, if consumed with additional exercise, which we'll talk about soon, will make your face look old before its time, and more importantly, scarred. Think that's bad? Think again. The less you're taking care of your body in general, the more your skin will reflect that. Think about it. If you rarely get a good night's sleep, how will you look in the morning? Dull eyes, red face, and no coordination with your body's movement. That's what a lack of sleep and poor habits will do to you. Even just having to put up with the stresses of everyday life, dealing with your parents, straining finances, etc., bring out a person's need for alcohol or cigarettes, and their appearance reflects that as well. And it's not just your face that is affected. Your other parts will show it as well. But I don't have those problems, you say? There's a reason for that. You're trying to live like an adult with potential results. Teens or early 20s are the most common period of declining health because they actually believe they can handle things, and they do. But when these urges start to be too much to bear, like puberty or an unexpected major event, job loss, breakup, etc., the person starts acting up and making poor decisions. If you've already got a bad habit of smoking cigarettes or drinking too much alcohol, then your skin will reflect that in other ways as well. To improve your skin's health, here is what you need to do. Exercise. Exercising every day, even if it is just a little bit, will improve the blood flow in your body and allow your body to get rid of the toxins that are hindering your health. Get adequate sleep. Why sleep? When you sleep, your body is able to repair any damage that was done throughout the day. Your skin will be healthier and have more elasticity when you get adequate sleep. If you're not getting enough sleep, then your skin might start to look a little older than it should. The diet. Eat vegetables every day, at least one serving of green vegetables if possible. Eat fruits every day, especially berries. Be smart about your protein intake. If you have trouble digesting meat and dairy products, try something like tempeh to get your protein. Don't be afraid of healthy fats, especially ones like olive oil. Try raw honey as a sweetener instead of sugar or other caloric sweeteners. Consume plenty of water. Drink 2 liters of water per day at least. Make sure that you are not drinking from any contaminated water sources, tap water, bottled water, etc. Make sure that your body is getting enough when it comes to electrolytes. When your body runs low on electrolytes, then its ability to heal will be hindered. Try alkaline water or alkaline foods like lemons and cucumbers for their alkalizing effects on your body. We hope you like those tips and are going to try them all. Don't hesitate to share your results with us in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want more videos on how to boost your metabolism, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.